Hello everyone, this is Emeka here and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll actually an interesting chord movement that you can add to your playing. And I got this chord movement from a gospel song by Marvin Sapp, okay? And it's a really interesting chord movement that helps you transition from your 5 chord to your 6 chord, okay? And we're going to be in the key of C today. So let's have a quick run of the C major scale. Then I break down this chord movement for you and show you how to apply it in a chord progression, okay? So the C major scale, C is the first note of the scale, so C is the 1, D is the 2, E is the 3, F is the 4, G is the 5, A is the 6, B is the 7, and back to the 1, okay, which is the C. So the question is, where do we apply this chord movement? Very simple. When we're going from the 5 to the 6 chord, okay, when you have a progression from the 5 to the 6, what you do is replace the 5 chord with a chord movement and it will take you nicely to the 6 chord, okay? So it's going to sound something like this. And take note on the 6, we're not playing a minor chord, we're playing a major chord, okay? This is a major chord, not a minor chord. So we're not following basic diatonic music theory rules here, okay? So we're breaking those rules here and we're playing the major chord on the 6, okay? So how do we apply this chord progression? Suppose we have the 6-4-1-5 chord progression, the 6 which is the A minor, to the 4 which is the F major, to the 1 which is the C major, to the 5 which is the G major, okay? So assume that's a chord progression, okay? So how do we make this chord progression really interesting? Very simple. After we play the 6 chord and then the 4 chord and then the 1 chord, when we get to the 5 chord, we don't play the 5 chord. Instead, we replace the 5 chord with a chord movement. And so if we do that, how is it going to sound? It's going to sound something like this. 6, 4, 1, 6. Can you see that? 1. Again, do you see that? 4. Well, let's play it again. To the 6, to the 4. So let me break down the chord movement slowly for you so you see what I'm doing, okay? So the chord movement starts off from the C to the D with your left hand, okay? Then after that, you're going to play this. So this is just perfect fourths, okay? Perfect fourths intervals, okay? So the left hand is playing B and the right hand is playing E, and then you move to the C on your left hand and then the F on your right hand. So that is, so from the beginning we have this. And the next thing you play is this, which is the A flat minor major 7 flat 5, A flat on your left hand and A flat B D G on your right hand, okay? And then the last thing you're going to play is going to be the 6th chord, which is the A major chord, A on your left hand, then A C sharp E A on your right hand, okay? So the whole chord movement from the beginning is this. One more time. So that's all for now. You can take this chord movements like I've done and learning on all 12 keys like I've also done, and try it in different songs wherever you have a 5 to the 6 chord progression and see how it sounds. So if you like this video, please press the like button, press the subscribe button, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching and bye for now.